Listen up, small business owners. Are you wanting to get more traffic on your website without spending a dime on ads? You're in the right place. I'm getting ready to break down 5 powerful and free strategies you can start implementing on your website today to boost your visibility, get more traffic, and save yourself money in the long run. Most businesses overlook these simple strategies, but if you put in the work, you'll start seeing the results. So grab a coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First up, local SEO. If you're a small business or a local business, this is incredibly important. If you haven't already, make sure you claim your Google My Business profile. This helps you show up in local search results in Google Maps when customers are looking for businesses like yours. Fill out every detail: your business name, hours, photos, and services. Get customer reviews. Reviews build trust and help you rank higher. If you haven't claimed your Google Business profile yet, do that today. Don't wait. Next is what gets you seen everywhere. There will be no need to spend a penny on ads when your website becomes the #1 resource for your audience and ideal customer and client. Businesses that blog get 55% more website visitors than those that don't. Answer customer questions. What are people asking about in your industry and your expertise? Answer customer questions. What are your dream customers or clients asking about? How can you be the solution to their problem? Share industry tips and how-to guides. And make sure you use SEO-friendly keywords. These help your content rank higher on Google. Here's the best part. You can work smarter and not harder by repurposing this content across multiple different platforms in the simplest way possible. What you can do is take 3 to 5 points from your blog, YouTube video, or podcast and turn it into an Instagram or Facebook reel. You can make 3 to 5 out of that one piece of content alone. Then convert the main takeaways into still posts and infographics that you can put on LinkedIn and Pinterest. Write a short, engaging post covering the same topics that you could put on Facebook, you could put on X, and you can also put on LinkedIn. And whatever you post for Instagram and Facebook Reels, that can also be repurposed into YouTube Shorts. These are just some examples. Challenge for you. Make a blog or a YouTube video and then take that and turn it into 3 different social posts that you can use to maximize your visibility and get more traffic. Social media is a total traffic funnel. Don't just post pitches, post engaging content and informational content that is offering people real value. Remember, you need to present yourself as the solution to their problem. You can share helpful posts that link back to your website. Join Facebook groups where your ideal audience or potential customers are hanging out and asking questions about what you do. This is a great opportunity to offer advice and again, maximize that visibility and traffic. A quick challenge. Post 1 valuable piece of content on your socials once a day this week and make sure you include a strong call to action. You need to tell people what to do with the information you just provided to them. Do they go to your website? Do they book a call with you? Do they buy that product that is the solution to the problem that they are having? Include a call to action. And of course, make sure it's linked back to your website. If your customers are talking about your industry somewhere online, you need to be included in that conversation. Join relevant Facebook groups, LinkedIn discussions, and Reddit threads. Answer people's questions. And you can do this without being salesy. You're building relationships, you're building rapport, and you're building authority not just for you, but for your website as well. Help people, and they will naturally go and check out your website and who you are. Here's a simple step for you. Join 1 online community today or answer 1 Reddit thread question today. You never know what could happen. Collaboration and networking is a total growth hack. Teaming up with other local businesses or even online businesses can bring in free traffic. Offer to guest post on their website. Cross-post each other's content on social media, host joint events or webinars to build visibility. Reach out to 1 local business and talk about how you guys can collaborate. It's a win-win situation. Why not, right? More than 60% of customers are searching for businesses like yours on mobile devices. If your site isn't mobile friendly, you are losing potential customers. Use a responsive design so your site looks good on all devices: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Make sure your website loads fast. Slow sites lose visitors. Check how mobile-friendly your website is by using a free tool Google provides called Google PageSpeed Insights. You can use their mobile setting. Another tool I personally love, and I'll have linked in the description, is Ubersuggest. There are so many free tools that you can use to help boost your website's online visibility. Use Apple's Business Connect to get seen on Apple Maps and Siri. Leverage SEO sites and tools such as Ubersuggest, again, my personal favorite, and Google Search Console to track your progress and see how you're doing. This tells you how your reach and visibility is doing, while also giving you insights into areas for growth and improvement in your website. It's a good tool to utilize. I recommend checking into these insights for your website at least once a week or a couple times a month. That way you know how it's doing and where you can grow from there. Don't ignore this step. This is an opportunity to improve your website. Okay, I just covered some great and free tools and strategies that you can start implementing to start getting more visibility and boosting traffic for your website. And you can do all of these things without spending a cent on ads. But here's the thing, you actually have to take these steps and do the work. So tell me in the comments, which strategy are you trying first? And if you found this valuable, be sure to like and subscribe and send this to another business owner you think this information or any of these strategies could possibly help. Do you want a step-by-step blueprint on mastering SEO? Grab the link in the description below and you will get access to my Achieving Excellence in SEO. It is a blueprint course that I provide. It is great for small and local businesses trying to organically boost traffic and visibility for their website. And if you need personalized help, I offer one-on-one SEO consulting for businesses just like yours. If you're ready for a custom SEO strategy, let's chat. See you in the next video.